A car describes a distance of 300 km with some speed. If its speed is increased by 10 km per hour, it will describe the same distance in 1 hour less. In 1 hour less. Find the speed of the car. Describe a distance of 300 km with some speed and find the speed of the car. So we don't know the speed of the car, isn't it? Now, when the speed is increased by 10 km, so you will know if you are going to increase your speed, then you will take less time to cover a certain distance, isn't it? So now we know the distance, find the speed of the car, we don't know the speed. But if speed is known, speed, distance and time, what is the formula which gives relation between them? You know that speed is equal to distance upon time, isn't it? Rate of change of the displacement, isn't it? Distance covered per unit time, that is called as speed. Now, if you want time, what you will do? T will come here. T is equal to distance upon speed. So this you should know. Now we find the speed of the car. Let the speed of car be x kilometer per hour. See, at present. Now with this speed, it travels how much distance? A car describes 300 km with some speed, means that some speed is x now. So how much time it will take? Time is equal to distance upon speed. So time, it will take the time 300 upon x. This much time it will take. Suppose this is t1 in the first case, isn't it? If the speed is increased by 10 km per hour, so this x will become what now? That will become x plus 10, this speed. And it travels with this speed how much distance? The same distance. See, it will describe the same distance, means with this speed now it travels a distance of how much? 300 km. So how much time it will take? It will take now 300 upon x plus 10. So this is the time taken in second basic. Now what he says, if the speed is increased by 10 km per hour, it describes the same distance in 1 hour less. So this time is 1 hour less than this time. That you have to write mathematically now. Now I shall write in detail. Now see. So with speed x kilometer per hour, time taken is equal to 300 upon x, because it is distance upon speed formula, you know, isn't it? It is distance upon speed. With speed x plus 10 km per hour, time taken is equal to 300 upon x plus 10. So no need to write, Now just to become it simple for you, I have written in detail. Once you know the speed is x, distance is 300, time taken 300 upon x. This is the first case, and this is when speed is x plus 10, distance is same, time taken will be 300 upon x plus 10. Now what he says, it takes 1 hour less than the original time. Means this is more than this, isn't it? Now see, so this time is 1 hour less than this. So how to write mathematically now? So this is greater by 1 than this. So 300 upon x minus 300 upon x plus 10. This time is less than this by 1 power. Okay, suppose 10 and 9. 10 and 9, you consider this number. This 9 is less than 10 by 1. So how you write? 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. So it is like this. Okay, now we have to solve this. Now here you have different denominator. Naturally, to make common denominator, you are going to cross multiply, no? So, but here you don't cross multiply because 300 into 10, some big number will be involved. So, in spite of that, here in numerator 300, numerator 300, you take that 300 common from numerator, here it will be 1 by x minus again 1 upon x plus 10 should be equal to 1. Say, without writing this, you can directly come to this equation if you know. Then 300. Now you can make denominator common. 1 into x plus 10 means x plus 10. X into minus 1 minus x. And whole upon what now? X into x plus 10 should be equal to 1. Now this plus x minus x get cancelled. So 300 into what is remaining in numerator 10 upon x square plus 10x is equal to 1. X into x square, x into 10, 10x. Now this upon x square plus 10x will go here. So what you will get now? See here, 300 into 10 will remain here and this will go here is equal to 1 into x square plus 10x means x square plus 10x, or 3000 is equal to x square plus 10x. Now x square x number we can obtain the quadratic equation. So write this first, x square plus 10x, and this will be minus 3000 is equal to 0. Now multiplication 3000 and difference plus 10. So again we shall have one positive, one negative number such that difference will be 10. So I shall write the prime factor of 3000 here. So 2, 2 1 ta, 2 5 ta, 0 0. 2 7 ta 14, 2 5 ta 0. So again 2, 2 3 ta, 2 7 ta, 2 5 ta. Now 5, 5 7 ta, 35, 5, 5 ta, 5, 50, 5, 3, 3, 1. So now let us see. Okay. See, you group these together. So 5 5 ta 25, 25 2 ta 50. Remaining now 2 2 ta 4, 4 5 ta 20, 23 ta 60. Correct. Now this will be positive, this will be negative. This is how you can obtain the pair, isn't it? So now, so 1 plus 60, so x plus 60 into x minus 50 is equal to 0, x plus 60 is equal to 0, or x minus 50 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 60 or x is equal to 50. Now what we are finding? We are finding the speed of the car. Now speed cannot be negative. Minus 60 discarded. That we have to write. Since speed cannot be negative, minus 60 is discarded. That's what speed of car 50 kilometer per hour. So this is how we have to solve this problem. Okay. So in model problem, what happens? See, you should know to read the statement. You should try to understand the meaning and then write into the mathematical form to obtain the equation. Once you know the meaning of the statement, you can use the variable, and by putting that into mathematical form like this, you can obtain the equation. So all the whole word problem. In word problem, what is the problem? You should know the meaning of the statement and you should be able to convert that into mathematical form. Then always you will get that quadratic equation that you should know to solve.